So it's starting to snow here on the farm. I got home and noticed that there was some damage on the high tunnel, so I'm walking out to check it out. Let's see. It just split. Well, it's not as big as I thought. Looks like it's right on a seam. Well, this kind of made the decision for me. I won't be putting the chickens in the high tunnel this winter. And I'm not sure how I could tie it down to keep it from ripping. And I don't have any repair tape on hand. So what I'm going to do is fill up the trailer that I put on the back of the car. It has a low tire, so got to fill that up with air, then drive the car with the trailer back to the high tunnel, then get some of the items from the high tunnel that should not be out in the weather, and bring it back to the barn. And as you can tell, it is snowing right now, so not a fun time here on the farm, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Doesn't get more spookier than this on Halloween.